I'm from a market research company. So today I'll be just chatting with you on certain things, certain things you use in your lifestyle and all that. So we are audio video recording because I'm meeting a lot of people, like you, consumers like you, and writing down everything will take lots of time. Okay, so we are audio video recording it, and please talk to me frankly about whatever I ask, whatever is your view on it, please talk frankly. There's no right or wrong answers. Okay, so we'll start with a small introduction.
Sure.
Tell me about yourself.
Yeah. Yes. So my name is Avni Mehta. I'm 34, born and brought up in Mumbai. I am married and working. I'm an
Okay.
MBA grad and working as a finance manager.
Okay.
And I stay in Kandivli East and I'll stay with my husband and in-laws.
Okay. How old are you, Avni?
I'm 34.
34. Okay.
34.
Okay,
Yeah.
husband and in-laws, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And so yours is a hybrid type of work, or you go out all the day?
It depends. If it is raining, then sometimes it is work from home. Otherwise, it is 5 days a week, and it is work from office.
Office. Okay, where's your office?
It is in Andheri.
Andheri, so quite a distance. Okay.
Yeah, so traveling takes approximately 1 hour's time.
One. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. And how are the rains there now? Has it?
Rains in Mumbai, it is pathetic. Yeah, it like making us more lazier because everywhere it is flood type of situations, and the
Mm,
transportation is hampered. So it
yeah,
is likewise. Yeah.
yeah, I can understand that. Okay, so how does when it's normal situation? Okay, when you're going to work. So could you tell me your routine? What time you get up? What time you go?
Sure, sure.
Mm,
So I get up by 6 o'clock because I have to attend my yoga classes in the morning. So 6:30 to 7:30, I go for my yoga classes.
mm.
I'm back and then I'm back to my kitchen because I have to prepare tiffin box for me, my husband, and then prepare the food for my in-laws.
Okay,
So till 8:30, 1 hour continuously, I'm there in the kitchen. Then we do not have breakfast. We just have nuts and fresh fruits and some lemon tea or a green tea type of. And then I step out for office around 9 o'clock.
okay,
And then since then I'm not at home. Then I'm back by 5:30, 6 o'clock,
okay,
and then again sometime chit chatting with family, and then even my husband is there coming back from office. So then again around 7:30 I'm back to kitchen preparation for dinner and all. And by 9:30 my kitchen is closed, and 9:30 to 10 we go for a walk just in my society,
mm,
and or some me time, and then around 10:30 max I go to sleep.
okay. So that me time, what you do?
Yeah. So in my me time, it's normally like chit chat with friends or families on over phone, or
Okay.
scroll down on social media, or do some shopping. I'm
Mm.
also fond of gardening and also try out some DIY hacks on gardening. Or
Okay.
also I'm quite a foodie, so like exploring new cuisines and all. So check on some new recipes. So all that happens, and then sometimes binge watch on OTT platforms. So
Mm.
it's all a mix of everything. So weekdays are slightly bit busy because of all such routine, but weekends are relaxing because me and my husband both have off and both are at home. So we
Okay.
have some socializing or shopping plans or going on beach walk or just whatever we want to do.
Okay. Okay. So, uh, what about your, daily chores, what the daily
Yeah.
things? You have a maid or?
Yes, I have a maid for the sweeping and mopping and all, and even for dishwashing.
Mm.
Yeah,
For that?
dusting.
Okay. Oh, for all that you have. So,
Yes.
what part of the day she washes the dishes?
So she washes around 2 to 30 p.m. in the noon because
Mm.
early in the morning even she has to balance her household chores. So she comes at our society around 11:30 post she drops her daughter. So 11:30 say 4 o'clock she is there in our society, and
Okay.
at my place she is there from 2:30 to 3:30, approximately a 1 hour's time.
Okay. So do you have a dishwasher?
Yes, I have a dishwasher.
Okay. So the maid uses a dishwasher?
No, no, she's not technologically savvy.
Okay. So how many times you use the dishwasher?
So in a month, say 2 or 3 times only, because when there are guests at home, or suppose if my maid is going on leave and
Mm.
I'm at home, so I simply do not want to do all those chores.
Yeah.
So it is likewise like if there are guests, or if there are house parties at my home, it happens that time only. Otherwise, it is there placed in my kitchen area.
Kitchen. Okay. So see, how do you define a clean dish, clean vessel?
So a clean vessel for me is shining bright, not those sticky stains,
Mm.
and not having those burnt stains, and a feel of fresh, not that stale smell or something. So I
Mm.
want that fresh smell out of it. And yeah, so with the feel and look and feel of the dishes, we come to know it is washed correctly.
Okay. So, when you compare, the washing by a dishwasher and the
Hmm.
maid, how many marks would you give for, both out of 10?
So both have their pros and cons. I feel the dishwashing done by the washer is more better than my maid, because the maids normally hang up on calls during their chores, and even if we tell them something in between, they do not like those things.
Yes,
So
yes.
and sometimes they wash. She washes my utensils within 5 to 10 minutes. So it is like
Okay.
so many utensils since morning, and within 5 minutes she is out of the kitchen.
Okay.
So sometimes I also get my spoons and those oily kadais and all,
Mm.
very sticky, very oily, and those stains have not even gone or not even removed properly. So sometimes she complains about my liquid, like, you are using you are using this XYZ liquid. No, I am fond of this liquid. So
Okay.
you bring the next month, you bring this liquid. So
Okay.
we have to bear their tantrums and keep them safe, because we know otherwise she will go and then no one will be there at home to watch.
Okay. So we can't do away with our maid.
Yes, that is true, because since they are not technologically savvy, she's not able to cope up with my machine, and my in-laws are aged, so even I cannot ask them to do the needful. So it is like it is only by me, whenever I am able to use it, I have to use it.
Okay, understood. So, so have you ever felt, like you are saying, when your maid washes also, if there is that oily and greasy spoons and
Yeah.
patilas and all that. So, have you ever, in your mind, the thought is there, like, could there be germs or something like that? Is it
Yeah,
really
so
clean?
now whenever I get some I mean notice some things like it is very greasy or very oily, I have to personally again wash it off, because if I keep it to complain the next day, the maid would run away the next day. So
Yeah.
but I sometimes tell her in between, like, that day the pan was not clear, so you
Hmm.
need to wash it if there are more stains or very hard stains on it. So she's like, oh, मतलब भूल से रह गया होगा, दिखा नहीं होगा.
Ah.
They have such petty reasons.
Ah.
So otherwise keep it in mind and tell someday after fortnight, I to tell something, few things, so I have to tell.
Yeah, but you can't keep on telling them also. That
Yeah,
also
I
we have
cannot
to
keep on
take.
telling, otherwise the society is big. They
Get job.
talk negative things about us in the society. And I being in the committee, I am a committee member. I mean, I am into treasury. So they are like, oh God, how does she does that, this, that? So I
Ah.
it is like, oh God, bolna hi nahi hai kuch.
Correct, correct. Okay. So that way, do you think what the dishwasher is better?
Yeah, so in that way dishwasher is better, because I do not have to follow her or favor that person or that
Mm.
thing for any of its tantrums. The only thing is like, yeah, not all the vessels are kept inside,
Mm.
and few of them are we have to wash it outside as well. So the
Okay.
only thing I face issue is that. Otherwise, it is very easy because we normally use washing machine and other
Hmm.
technologically smart devices. So we are savvy using those things.
Understood. So, uh, cleaning wise, you feel it is better, hygienic wise, it is better, but there is no time and it doesn't
Yeah,
clean.
it is time consuming, I can say. The
Hmm.
dishwashing machine is a time consuming activity. Again, it is also a power consuming activity. Like
Hmm.
the bill at a stretch, if I'm using 2 to 3 times in a month, also I can feel the difference.
Acha, acha. So, how much is
So
the difference? How?
if my regular bill is coming around 2,500 to 3,000, then
Hmm.
at a stretch it raises around 20% of hike in that bill, like only within 2 to 3 usages.
Uses. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. And what about water? Water
Water,
consumption?
water, yes, of course. Water is hardly, it is 9 to 10 liters per cycle. So
Okay.
that is acceptable because definitely while we are washing dishwashing outside, it is slightly more because there is continuously flow.
More
The
flow.
maid also do not stop it, and sometimes even I have a habit of doing multitasking. So sometimes
Hmm.
I keep my mom's call on video call, and then I
Ah.
in the flowing water only I do it. So it is
Oh,
likewise ki, yeah, the water consumption is more
ah.
outside.
Outside. Okay, okay. So, uh, now if we were to, describe the relationship, of your dishwasher with you, what would you say?
So I can say it is like a genie to me, like just in a click of uh, click of my thing, it can do wonders, and I don't have to worry because even I can get enough time to spend with my guest or family or friends, whoever has come, and I do not want them also to stress out on those things.
Hmm.
So it is like a
Okay.
genie for me, a last minute helper kind
Help.
of.
Okay.
Yeah.
Savior sort of. Okay. Okay. And so we will go back to the time when you bought when the thought came that you should
Yeah.
buy a dishwasher. When
Yes.
was it?
So it was 2 and odd years back. It was like we had shifted to a new house, and I was searching, hunting for maid because it was a new society. So even people were not settled here, and there were no new maids coming in and all. And then slowly and steadily it started. But initially it was like too much of havoc for me because I was working and I couldn't do all such chores. And
Hmm.
I sometimes develop cough and cold also being in water so much. So then it all started like, yeah, I want to get the dishwasher. And my brother is not in India, so whenever we happen to visit there, we have a habit of using the dishwasher. So
Okay.
I told my husband, like, I am quite savvy and I have used it earlier, so no
Okay.
experience is needed because I can do it myself. So then it
Okay.
all started like I started thinking about it, and we bought the IFB one.
Okay. So where at that time that process of searching for,
Yeah.
so from where did you find out which is better, or how did you do
Yes,
that?
of course. So I am very lazy, stepping out first. I normally do
Okay.
all the research online. So I simply do Google. I Google, I just Google dishwasher in India, and then
Hmm.
it popped up 2 3 brands, and out of those I found IFB the most well known because there were many variants according to the family size and all, color combination, this that. So then I thought, okay, let me do research on IFB,
Hmm.
and I saw some reviews online on Amazon, and then I also checked on few YouTube videos, and
Okay.
then we stepped out and went to the electronic showroom, and then
Okay.
we finalized. Otherwise, initially it was everything online, the
Online.
total research part.
Okay. So you went to the showroom.
Yeah.
So they would have explained the features to you, right?
Yes. Yes.
So was it like satisfying? Did he explain everything properly? Was it
Yeah, so
easy?
the staff there, they have their specified brand staff, trained staff. So they normally have all particular information about, say, AC, TV, fridge, washing machine, or a dishwasher. So accordingly, that person, inform that you can use it in this mode, that mode. If you have more greasy utensils, you can click on this. If you don't have time, you can click on. like the washing machine, it has multiple options,
Yeah.
and it was very easy for me to grasp because all those functions were slightly relatable to.
1 minute. Your voice is breaking.
Acha. So I
Mm.
thought I said ki since the washing machine also had similar
Ah,
features, it was very much aligned to me, and I was like, yeah, I can do it. It is
you can
okay
do.
for me to.
Okay. Okay. Then it came to your house. Okay. So when
Yes,
it
it came to
entered
my
your
house.
house, how was it? How was the excitement and the first few washes? How was it?
Yeah, so initially I was excited too much because it already, I thought ki I could dump in it and I could walk away, and then
Mm.
at least my mom-in-law can just switch it off or whatever. So initially it was very easy because the maids were not available, but then slowly and steadily, once I evolved in the society, there were people around, we made friends and all, then I came to know ki the power consumption which out is I mean consuming is far more than my friends' house. So then we compared few things,
Mm-hmm.
and then came to know this dishwasher is creating this hype in the electricity bill, and maybe because of that we are getting so high bills. So we were like, we had all the electronics new in our new house, that too
Okay.
the bill was more than 7-8 thousand. So then we just compared it with my other peer friends. So they told me theirs it was around 3,000 to 4,000 maximum in
Okay.
summers as well. So
Okay.
then we got to know ki acha, this dishwasher is taking more consumption of units, and then slowly and steadily, then I thought to hire a maid and then cut the usage of this thing, and then since then there are so many maids, so the usage of dishwasher is
Yes.
very less now.
Okay. But you the use that expense caused by the dishwasher. Okay. Is it more than paying a maid?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So for maid means she does all the work. This one means only for the dishwasher you're using.
Yeah, so she does everything: dusting, mopping, sweeping, dishwashing, toileting, and all those things. There is a package.
Okay.
So then I think that human intervention is there. My mom-in-law also, slightly gets time to talk to her.
Ah.
So it is like she also doesn't feel lonely at home.
Hmm.
So there is some movement at home, and my mom-in-law also wanted ki there should be one maid kept or for utensils as well, because even she is not technologically savvy.
Oh, understood, understood. Okay. So now you take me through the process how you use the dishwasher.
So mine is a 12 space wala. So accordingly, I have to place the bowls, the spoons, the bigger vessels, and all this, and then shut the rack. Sorry, before shut the rack. Then I used to first use the detergent, IFB detergent.
Hmm.
Now I'm steadily using IFB ka detergent tablets.
Okay, okay.
Then there is a rinse option. Sometimes
Hmm.
we have to, within few days the rinse option also starts blinking, so we have to add the rinse ka liquid in it,
Hmm.
liquid or whatever it is. Then the salt also starts blinking sometimes, so even we have to add the salt accordingly for the corrosion and all. So all these things happen, and then it is a I use normally the 60-degree option, the daily wash,
Okay, okay.
60-degree wala, and then it washes accordingly, and approximately it takes 1 hour or so to wash,
Wash. Okay,
which
60
my
degree.
maid does in 5-10 minutes.
5, 10 minutes.
It is like 1 hour or so, so the time taken is too much.
Too much. Okay, understood. So this 60 minutes or whatever that person told you which one to use and.
Yeah, so normally they tell ki if it's a daily routine vessels, you click on the daily wash only. But suppose
Hmm.
if you have some specific requirement like too much greasy or this, what is it? Glass, this, what is that called? The dinnerware.
Hmm.
Also, then there are multiple options to cater to such things like a very, what is that feature? Like quick wash, but then very gentle,
Gentle. Acha, acha, acha. Delicate work.
delicate wash.
Okay, understood. So, now what about this loading part? How easy it is, you know?
So yeah, it is like a tedious job. Like a person like me who do not like dishwashing outside, for
Mm.
me it's okay. But otherwise, the leftover food part, food in the plates and all, everything has to be discarded and then put in loaded in the machine. Otherwise, that there are chances of cockroaches in the machine as well. So
Mm.
I being and I also have that cleanliness ka kida type. So
Okay.
I am that kind of person. Like I do not want that. Bad odor or
Mm.
malodor kind of things around me. I want complete freshness. So I normally have a practice of discarding all the food waste and then only loading all my utensils.
Okay. So one is the pre-rinsing part. Okay.
Yeah,
So you have, that is one thing. Again, loading. So
yeah.
bending and all is a problem.
Yeah, bending and all is a problem. It's like that it has a lower rack and middle rack,
Mm.
and then different slots for different things, and all not glasses here, bowls here, spoons here, dishes at
Mm.
the downside, big vessels together. So plastic, I also keep plastic micro safe ones together. So all
Okay.
those things, because while unloading deloading as well, it should be very easy for me to take out.
Take out. Understood.
Yeah.
Understood. That's what I was coming to. So unloading, how difficult it is.
Unloading is not difficult because I already have in my mind like what things I have kept where.
Okay.
Only the loading part is a difficult task for me.
Okay. And
Because
how?
to
Ah.
I mean like, to fit in that space is a
Mm.
difficult part.
Correct. Loading is more difficult.
Loading
And
is
then
more difficult.
how clean is it? Like when when you open,
Yeah.
once it is done, when you open, what sort of a feeling you get?
So yeah, there is a warm. It's like a spa kind of, like whenever I open, it is like that warm air,
Mm.
airy note, like the moisture, because the water is warm. Water is warm, which is used inside. So it is like warm. So I slightly keep open sometimes if I'm cleaning the vessels, and then even I mean hanging it up again in the trolleys. So I slightly open for 5-10 minutes, let the moisture and the warmness go, and then only I deload it.
Okay. Have you ever touched it when it was hot?
Yeah, once I touched it and it was hot, not that hot,
Okay.
but then it was hot like approximately the milk, like when we boil the milk, it was
Mm-hmm.
similar to that.
To that. Okay. And any other malfunction in your,
So as of now, touch
dishwasher?
wood, it is
Ah.
2 plus, and I have not got any malfunction. Even I have not got it serviced. So I was talking to my husband few days back only, like I think I need to just call for just a general servicing, because I should know if it is going on great. Otherwise,
Great.
some part would get dismantled or something inside, and then
Some.
it would turn haywire.
Okay. So that means you're handling it properly, placing everything
Yeah, so because
properly.
it is a single-handed use, no. So
Yeah,
because of
yeah.
that, otherwise it
Uh,
is a big issue.
Big issue. Okay. So now the suppose I ask you the different type of dishes you're putting in. Stainless steel, it washes well, right?
Yes.
So in stainless steel, what are the pain points you feel when you put it inside?
So stainless steel, it is like some sharp plates, which sharp plates are there. If they're kept, I mean the size is big for my plates, and racks are small. Sometimes the height.
1 minute. It is breaking. Your voice is
Yeah,
breaking.
yeah. I
Yeah.
said sometimes the height is a problem for me because some of my plates are bigger in size.
Bigger. Okay.
Like if we make dokla or
Ah.
those traditional dishes, then the plate size is bigger.
Hmm.
So
The
those bigger plates is an issue, or otherwise bigger pans like the ones which we use for making curries or some vegetable and all. So that is an issue. But then I don't know. Now I'm accustomed to it, and I know ki I have to use multiple pans for uh, as per the quantity.
Quantity. Understood. Okay. And what about what all don't you don't keep in a dishwasher?
Dishwasher. So yeah, I do not keep all those heavy iron kadais, high iron pans, dosa
Mm.
tawas, and all. Whatever is this, what is that called? Matlab, all those coated ones.
Mm-hmm. Like non-stick and
Non-stick
aluminum.
I use hardly, but
Okay.
majority it is like coated ones. If it is a, my mom-in-law uses a silver plate to eat, so I do not
Mm.
even keep that
Ah,
silver
yes.
plate in it because
Okay.
it will mismatch. I mean, the detergent is not good for silver.
Correct. So any the technician told you like you should not use certain things?
Yeah, the technician had told me like if your pans or these non-stick things are very greasy, very oily, or if they are already worn out, not worn out, very
Mm.
used out, then you should not keep it because the coatings can be, removed totally. And what is that? And the big kadais, the big pans, which are already heavy in size, they would not be able to, clean it properly.
Okay. And so aluminum and non-stick
Yeah,
and
so aluminium,
iron.
so I do not use it only. I do not have anything of aluminium. Only one big pan I have that is only used for Shira during pujas, or that is also very random. But otherwise, yeah, heavy kadais, heavy pans, heavy dosa tawas. I use the Induska heavy ones, so those are
Ah,
very heavy.
okay. That you can't do.
Yeah,
And okay. What about the you said the product now you're using tablet, right?
yeah. I'm using
Oh,
tablet now.
okay. So always when and what about crockeries and that, you know?
Crockery, I keep it. It is getting cleaned very easily. Even I can say the crockeries which my maid washes, there are yellow stains of the oil or some Chinese, reddish color.
Mm.
But whenever I use them in my do them in my dishwasher, those stains are also gone. So for
Mm.
dinnerware and for glassware, I can vouch upon the dishwasher because the stains are all gone.
Okay. So that way is good. But you
Yes.
don't have a like doubt, you know, like suppose it goes in the machine, it might break or
No, that person told me the glassware or the dinnerware or the even the what is that called, the plastic, what is that?
microwave
If I
or
recollect, I'll tell. So all those things can be kept, and I also saw few YouTube videos where they were also keeping. So it was not an issue, and I normally use during my weekends and some parties at home. I use those glasswares and dinnerwares. So I have a practice of using, I mean, doing them through the dishwasher.
okay. What have you ever faced it with your maid, like, you know, one or two got scratched or
Yeah,
broken?
yeah, she has broken many pieces. She has
Okay.
broken. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So then that way your dishwasher is better.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in dishwasher, I have not faced any breakages or all those things because there are placements accordingly. So it is like doing it very well.
Very well. Okay. So now you said so initially, how many days a week you were using?
Initially, I was using, since there was no maid initially, then I was using, I can say at least 3 to 4 times in a day, in a week.
Week. Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
but then slowly and steadily there was made and all. Then it was very much reduced, and then we
Mm.
came to know about the power consumption. So
Mm.
then we reduced the usage, and then it was like only when I want to enjoy and have fun with my family or friends, and I don't want to do those household chores, then I would be using it. Or
Using.
sometimes if there is a birthday party or whatever, if there's a small
Mm.
gathering, then I use it.
Okay. Understood. And so suppose the IFB company comes to you and asks you, like, you know, what changes should be made in the product or how can we make it better, you know, the dishwasher, so that, you know, you will use it more frequently. What would you say?
Yeah. So first of all, I would say ki I want a sleeker machine. I
Mm.
want the multiple racks to be more rather than the width.
Mm.
I want a sleeker one because houses in Mumbai, they are all compact. and
Mm.
occupying such bigger space in kitchen is a bigger task for us, because we have
Correct.
to manage washing machine together with the dishwasher, and then again the kitchen cabinets and all. So it is very difficult. So
Mm.
I want a sleeker, maybe the height can be more, but then a sleeker one. Other
Mm.
thing is, yeah, it should match the aesthetics of my house and my kitchen together,
Okay.
because initially I saw there was only a steel gray or the basic gray color available. Now I can see there are black color, or there are many smart colors available. Also, I can say nowadays there are smart technology devices. So yeah, definitely smart technology can be inbuilt, wherein I can actually know what's happening with my machine even on my mobile.
Mm.
I have a
Okay.
smart water purifier as well. So now
Okay.
I am very much acquainted to such smart devices.
Okay. And anytime you have felt like I have to be there when it is washing, do you go and check
Yeah,
it?
so yes. So while washing machine does the needful, I never worried about it, because it gets auto stopped, and according to the time. But for dishwasher, I have never been out and kept it working, because somewhere or the other I think maybe the water may spill out, or
Ah.
there would be some cracking noise in the between. And then
Okay.
if my in-laws are there alone at home, they
Mm.
would start panicking.
Okay.
So
Why
somewhere
that
I,
see washing machine you're not having doubt. Why
yeah,
about the dishwasher you're having that doubt?
because here the noise would be more. If something happens inside, the
Ah.
breakages or the noise would be more. Whereas in the washing machine, the clothes do not talk. Here the talking is
No.
more. Yeah,
Okay. So that doubt you have.
that doubt I
So
have, and then I think, oh God, then it would be a problem for me to manage on call with my mom-in-law, and then it would be everything in mess. So I have a practice of doing multiple things, and then simultaneously having that work started, because it takes around 1 hour plus to complete the cycle.
so before going to bed, you finish it off and go.
Yeah, I finish it off, then maybe next morning I tell my mom-in-law, "Ki you do not I mean, you do not take out and
Mm.
deload it." My maid, at least she wipes the things, and then she keeps, if
Keeps it.
told, otherwise she doesn't do.
Okay. Understood. And so that it should be sleeker in design, better colors, aesthetics wise. Any other function wise, it should be made better.
Yeah, so there are many functions, like I said, we are not allowed to keep those heavy material
Mm.
pans and the tawas and all those. So there can be some specific cycles only for those, where I
Mm.
can run only for that particular rack, or maybe
Okay.
there can be options to switch. Maybe only the lower rack can move, the upper
Mm.
rack can stay still.
Stay.
Yeah, and I also wanted to, I don't know, I also wanted, like, if that there is a quick wash cycle, but then if there are only few vessels to be cleaned, then but then if the slots are on the upper side,
Mm.
then the even the lower side gets heated.
Yeah.
There are no vessels, so sometimes it is very I mean, upsetting. I get upset, like, wo bichara, there are no vessels there, but then
And
too it has to work. So
works.
sometimes I feel ki the combination can be adjustable.
Mm. So half load and all, still the whole thing is working.
Yes.
Mm.
So
Okay.
like the oven, it is like, the upper part and the lower part.
Lower part.
So I want
Oh.
those stackable. I want those
Mm.
stackable. I have never removed the racks and checked if uh, those can be placed vice versa. But then I
Okay.
don't know. I would check this option as well.
Okay. So, so these are the things you want them to do. What
Yeah,
about the washing, that tablet which you're using? What
yeah.
about the cost of it?
It is very much costly. So
Hmm.
around 600 or 700 per packet. Very
Okay.
much costly.
Hmm. So that also I know is one of the things that you don't use it regularly.
No. Price is not a matter. So we believe in quality. So since we already you have a dishwasher, dishwashing is not actually required in Mumbai or or a place like India, because we are not that technologically upgraded. But this is only because we are accepting Western culture, and we are evolving in our lifestyle. So price is not a matter, but then yes, if I am able to compare two things, then definitely I can see that there's a vast difference.
Okay. But you're saying, in India, it's
Yeah,
not
so it
required?
is not required in India, because we are able to get maids to and fro, and the uh, place is a constraint. I think there for individual houses or bungalows or the farmhouses, then it is okay. But for a flat system in Mumbai, the place is a constraint. So because of that, I feel maybe it is just occupying a bigger space.
Space. That one and another one, do you feel it is because of a cooking, it is not suitable? Because of the oil and the
Yes,
turmeric and the masala?
sometimes yes, sometimes
Mm.
yes, because we are not habituated to just that organic living, and those basic lifestyle. We normally cook too many things according to our moods. So definitely, I am a vegetarian, but then there are people who are non-vegetarian and eat non-veg daily. So
Mm.
those things require too much of spicy things, and oil and all those fried items and all. So definitely, I think then majority of their portions of the vessels would be handled by them outside rather than the dishwashing. So it
Dishwasher.
is like just in our language it is called like वो एक हाथी पालने जैसा है.
Correct. Understood. Okay, okay, okay. So I'll share some four
Sure.
concepts with you. Okay.
Okay.
And you tell me what you think about it.
Yeah.
One minute.
Wash.
One minute. Yeah. Now see.
Yeah.
Read it and then you tell me what you feel.
Yes. Yeah. Done.
Yeah. What do you feel about this?
Yeah, this they are talking about that Finnish detergent which from the Bosch. So it is like catering to the glassware and the dinnerware normally, which breaks over time, and there is a mismatched assortment when there are guests around. So it is like an embarrassment for us as well. So here it says like Finnish would empower the dishwashers to handle this kind of porcelain or those what is that, the crockery, with
Mm.
very delicate wash, with gentle and like a guardian, very much caring type of, and they would cherish the possessions, they would help cherish the possessions, and
Okay.
then ensuring that they are protected, uh, protected wash after wash, like they are protected wash after wash means they will not worn out, or like not worn out,
Ah.
not used out. I
Oh.
said all these things earlier. I can relate to
Yeah.
this very much. Yeah.
Very much. Okay. Now read the next one.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Tell me.
this also spoke about the me time. Like I said, we
Mm.
have me times and all. Go for a walk. So definitely, it is also related to me, because I want just some time to walk with my husband, or some time for me myself. So
Mm.
this also is quite aligning to my mindset.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, okay. So this I said like I have to clean the leftovers and then only load the machine. So here it says like you can just load it and the dishwasher would do the needful with the finished liquid, a finished
Mm.
detergent, and then
Okay.
every dish comes out sparkling clean, like I wanted, like very shining and all, without a second thought.
Okay. What do you think of this?
Yeah, like every idea is very much aligned and very much a requirement I can say.
Okay. But do you, it is relatable. Okay. You go through this also, then we'll talk.
Yeah. I'm just yeah, great idea. Like in the washing machine, also we have those germ free wala. During COVID, that was very much in trend. So
Mm.
here also it is very much a good feature. Like it can be a germ free, and then we are rest assured because we can directly use the dishes the next day without of the second thought or a doubt in our minds. And then while taking the visible, they are taking dual care, like visible and invisible both. So it is
Mm.
like doing multiple things in just one wash.
Okay. So is it only for the baby if you have a baby in a house, or is it for everyone?
Here it the visuals depicts baby because also they have mentioned especially with a baby in the house.
Mm.
But it need not be only the baby because I am also prone too much to cold and
Okay.
all such stuff. So for me, my husband, if you ask my husband, he will tell I already have a baby, so you know it is me. So
Okay.
it is like I can relate to, okay, it is not only babies, anyone can fall prey to.
Anyone, even for elders also in the
Yeah,
house,
senior
even.
citizens are also like very much, they are also very much prone to such immune deficiencies. So I think it is, rather than even mentioning baby, they can just mention especially with uh, and not especially, it is like for everyone, not even for
Everyone.
just for
Okay.
babies. Yeah,
So
yeah,
they can mention that it break down stubborn food stains, eliminate invisible germs. So hygienic.
yeah,
So
yeah,
here they have
baby,
mentioned even for baby bottles, but then
yeah,
it is understood for
yeah.
everything. Okay. So of these, which is most relatable to you?
So for me, the most relatable to me is like uh, this glassware thing. Like sometimes if those are new, I am also very much reluctant to keep them inside. Like it is
Hmm.
like, oh god, toot jayega to. So it is likewise. So
Okay.
sometimes I also have that doubt in my mind. But then वो दिल पे पत्थर रख के रख देती हूँ कि नहीं हो जाएगा, जाने दे जो भी होगा.
Hmm.
So it is likewise. And then the me time, actually all the ideas are like me speaking. It is like just made
Yeah.
for me.
Okay, okay, okay. So, which one, if it comes in an ad,
Hmm.
okay, you will feel more inclined to use. This is about a product finish, right?
Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
which one, like when you think of all these ideas, what do you think of the product finish?
I think that they are very much customer centric. That they are caring for their customers and they want customers to enjoy and be worry free.
Hmm. And okay, glassware, how many times you wash in a month?
So it is like glassware normally we use every weekends, but then it is more during if we are hosting guests or something. So 2 to 3 times in a month, so it happens.
It happens. Okay.
Yeah.
So, all this cutlery, whatever,
Yeah,
crockery,
cutlery and
everything,
a porcelain.
glassware,
I
porcelain.
also have a kettle. So
Hmm.
I'm aware I had got that kettle from Kashmir. So it was like very close to my heart with authentic designs and all those.
So that also now you're putting into this.
Yeah. It is there, and
Ah,
it is washing it clearly, like it is giving such thing, such
okay,
sparkling.
okay. So now, yeah. So you are using like for your usage to be more. Okay. What should they say in the ad from all these concepts? What can they mention in the ad so that Avni's usage becomes more?
I think the cycle time can be reduced if the Finish detergent is doing wonders. I mean, better than the IFB detergent. Then I think the cycle timing can be reduced, and then the power consumption automatically can be reduced.
Hmm.
So maybe the shorter cycle can attract me more.
Okay. One minute.
Yeah.
So one is the cycle time can be reduced. So what is the benefit because of that?
Because of that, I would be rest assured about my power consumption. Or
Mm.
even if I'm at home for a shorter period, I can, actually use the dishwashing machine.
Okay, understood. So that you don't need, still you're wary of leaving it and going,
Yeah,
right?
and the other
Oh.
thing is like, yeah, they can all the side by side the Finish detergent, whatever features it has, they have to tell that things as well, like the sparkling clean and all those. You
Mm.
don't have to wash and then keep it. You can load it likewise, whatever. That is
Mm.
the basic thing. But other than that, I think the shorter cycles is the must for me.
Must follow. Okay. And what other brands of products you've heard of? One is the IFPK you're using. Okay. What
I've
other?
heard I've heard Bosch also. I'm using Bosch washing machine, so I know about Bosch as well.
Okay. And what other products? Have you tried any other product?
No, I have been using IFB only because the company people told ki the machine and the detergent should be same brand.
Same. Okay. So you've been using that only. Okay.
Yeah. So
So
here
now,
they can also tell that it is suitable for which all brands
won't the other
in
brands
the
fight with them?
advertisement. So yeah, I think this is a Bosch finish, so it can be a problem.
Problem. So, okay, it can be used on other, it can use as a, on a
Maybe they
dishwasher.
cannot name the brands, but they can generally tell that it can be simultaneously used by any other dishwasher brand as well.
Okay. Which will be more, powerful message. Either that is at the me time, you're saying, or, save on your cutlery, okay, on your expensive wear, or that, you don't need to pre-rinse and, all your masala and oil and all it is going to remove. So what would be the one which will attract every
So I think the
person?
loading without worries can be the first one. Second one would be the cutlery ka, all those glassware. Then
Hmm.
third would be uh, the germ free and this me time. So me time I can understand like slowly once it is there is a worry free loading, then
Hmm.
automatically the me time
Me
is
time comes
balanced.
in. Hmm. So that need not be mentioned
Yeah. Then
separately.
germ free. So I can say ki loading worry free. Then
Hmm.
second would be the cutlery, and the third would be germ free.
Oh, oh. Loading that is you're saying about that no rinse and
No
no
rinse and all.
pre.
Yeah, so that is the main tedious job.
Correct. Okay. So tedious job. Pain points in a dishwasher is that pre-rinsing, even the loading you're saying, and
Yes.
then unloading you don't bother much because you have loaded it properly.
Yes.
Okay.
And also I am quite skeptical about some germs inside, like cockroaches or all some.
Hmm.
If they also start breed, if that becomes a breeding ground for them.
Okay. So what should they do for them?
So there can be some. solution towards that also, together with this detergent, like it is also pest free, or it
Hmm.
helps to helps the machine to be pest free, or those things.
Something like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
because cockroaches are everywhere.
Yeah, it is like a big no to me.
So, however neat you clean you keep your house, somewhere
Yeah.
it comes in.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So that is also one main worry. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So one major thing is the electricity consumption. Water is not so much. Water
Water,
comparatively.
see, here in Mumbai, we have BMC water, so we have
Hmm.
24 hours water connection. But yes, we need to be sustainable enough. We cannot also, waste water. So
Waste water.
one cycle approximately uses 9 to 10 liters of water.
Hmm. So, but that you said when we wash it outside, it could be more also.
Similar, but suppose if the quantity of the utensils is less, then the
Ah,
water usage is also less.
less.
Here it is like the cycle wise,
Right.
it uses the 9 liter, 10 liter.
Okay. The same way you said, okay, if I'm not having full also, only
Yeah.
that part should work. Okay. So
Yes.
that I don't want the whole machine to
Yes.
be
Yes. Yes.
working. Okay. So all these things should be taken care of, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just a minute. I will just check whether there are any questions.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Avni.
Welcome,
Wonderful talking
ma'am.
to you.
Yeah. Good day. Bye bye.
Bye. Sanjay.